Gotta clean out the ash pit. Not a requirement. It just draws better if I do. There, time well spent. Now these are trash bags. Yeah, we have waste baskets all over the house. And right next to Lydia's chair is a waste basket that has those purple bags in it. She throws out all the mail, you know, the junk mail that we get. And it burns perfect. I mean, it's great for lighting the stove. I will put one bag of that in there and throw some firewood in on top of it, and it'll handle everything that I want to put in there. I'm going to talk to you real quick about this other tool that I have in the building. I bought this extend grabber at Menards. Really quite a nice piece of equipment. It'll extend out quite a ways and extend, well, shrink back for storage if you want to. I like to have it out quite a ways so I can pick stuff up off the floor. Kind of nice. Not only is it a good grabber, got a magnet in it, so it'll pick up magnetic items. Nails and bits of stuff. Grabs up twigs off the floor. Or something a little bigger. Saves me a lot of bending over. Back doesn't like it. Little magnetic pieces. Got a nice big set of jaws on it. This little one that I have, they used to hand these out for free at Harbor Freight. That was one of the, when you walked in there with a coupon, you could get one of these free if you bought something. And I always wanted to buy something. Box of gloves, package of sandpaper, although I didn't buy much of their sandpaper. Little diamond wheels was more like the thing I would buy. I'd buy little diamond wheels for the Dremel tool so I could engrave rocks. One of the hobbies that I developed over the years that I really like. I like engraving rocks. It was an interesting pastime. A lot of people have received them over the years and appreciated them. I don't do it much anymore. Just not something that I spend a lot of time on because I've got so much other junk out here to take care of that I pretty much come out here and just take care of what I have to. You can see this is about 4 inches longer and it's got a lot bigger grip. It's also stronger. Problem with these, the jaws are just plastic. And I've snapped a few. The beam is just a thin piece of steel tube. It works, you just have to remember what you're picking up. And not try and pick up too much. Plastic bottles. They're recyclable. Did you know that? Yeah, this is a HDPE. I like them mostly because this bottle is green and it's a really nice shade of green, and the things I've made out of it, I liked that they were green. I made great knobs. Most of what I do with a plastic recycling though is bottle caps, pop bottle caps. We used to drink a lot of Pepsi. We got away from it because it's not good for you. I can't say that it's dangerous, but it doesn't really make you better. So we kind of faded out on that one. But in the meantime, I collected a lot of bottle caps. I have boxes and bins full of them downstairs in the basement. One of the things that I had trouble with, they had a little plastic gasket on the inside that it was a different kind of plastic. It didn't work well. So I had to take the gaskets out of the center. Well, over the last few years, they changed and gone to solid HDPE caps. No gasket on the inside. They just came up with a tapered seal so that it goes down in and mates like a gas valve. Works well, and I'm pleased with them because they don't have a seal, a gasket on the inside. So you just chop them up. I put them in a metal pan that I have a little toaster oven. I put them in that metal pan in a little toaster oven and I heat them up. Or else I have an injection molding machine which I made out of a piece of pipe and a piece of threaded rod and a couple of washers and a couple of nuts. Works pretty well. I've made bushings for grinding wheels from that. And, one of you guys, sorry, but I've forgotten which one. There's so many of you now. One of you guys won a grinder, a hand grinder from me that had that bushing in it. I was really pleased with the whole thing. I'd be able to put bushings in grinding wheels. I made knobs for equipment and just had a lot of fun with it. So now I'm going to try and clean up the workshop a little bit more. I've got the fire ready to go, but I'm not going to light it because I'm not going to be out here that long. I'm able to do a pretty good job picking stuff up. $7 well spent. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.